What if I told you that the simple act of actually mowing your lawn properly could improve how it looks? That's actually a true statement, and today let's get right into how mowing can actually help improve the overall look of your yard. First thing we need to look at is our cutting height for our grass type. If you don't know what grass type you have, then do a little bit of searching for the region that you live in and the typical grass types there. I'll also have a basics video here on how to figure out your grass type as well. For warm season grasses, there are a couple of them that like to be cut a little bit lower and will look better at a lower cut. And for most of our cool season grasses, we can generally cut these a little bit higher and things will look pretty good, and they'll withstand the stress of summer a little bit better. Also, when mowing a lawn, there's something called the 1/3 rule, and this says that we don't want to cut off more than 1/3 of the grass blade in a single mowing. This means that we have to up our frequency of mowing during certain parts of the year. In cool season, when spring and fall happen, our grasses are growing very rapidly. We need to be cutting more often so that we're not breaking that 1/3 rule. For those of you in the warm season regions, you need to be cutting more frequently in the summertime. That's when your grasses are going to be thriving the most. With following that 1/3 rule and mowing frequently, your grass is going to thicken up quite a bit on its own, and you're going to be able to crowd out weeds when your grass gets thicker. If there was a best time of day to mow, then it would probably be in the morning to late morning, but make sure you're not mowing wet grass. And then also late afternoon to the evening time would be okay. Of course, everyone has different schedules and sometimes you have to break these rules, but preferably these would be the times of day when you want to mow, and try to avoid the heat of the day for the actual mowing. Another extremely important aspect of mowing properly is keeping the blade sharp on your mower. You can take these to a local shop, maybe a hardware store, or you can tackle it yourself. It's not really a difficult process, but make sure that you keep your blade sharp. Inspect the grass after you get done mowing, and if you're noticing a lot of frayed grass blades, you need to sharpen your blade. Another thing to change up frequently would be your mowing patterns. If you mow in the same direction all the time, you're going to kind of train the grass to lay in a certain way. Change up your patterns, it will better cut the grass, and the overall look will be better as well. You can actually fertilize your lawn by either mulching or returning the clippings that come out of the mower and leaving them on the grass. These are going to break down pretty quickly, and it provides some actual fertilizer to the lawn. So mulching or returning those clippings back to the grass is a great thing to do as well. Now, what lawnmower you use doesn't necessarily matter as much as keeping those blades sharp, keeping it running properly, and making sure that it's cutting properly and not fraying the grass blades. I hope this has provided a little quick guide here for you on how to properly mow your lawn. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.